ReadSpeaker for Education, what is it? Our first suite of tools is ReadSpeaker for the Learning Management System, which is composed of reading HTML items, web reader, and documents, doc reader. There are many examples, but we are only going to show 5. Highlighting while reading is very important in building vocabulary. For this example, we will read part of this lesson in Blackboard Learn 9.1.
Your institution most likely has other learner supports available.
Not only can you read your lessons, but you can also read assessments. For this example, we will look at a quiz in Brightspace by D2L and read the second question.
I can change my word and sentence highlighting colors. True. False.
Do you have faculty who need to quickly add some material to their course and run to the copier to get a PDF to upload? If so, our doc reader can sense that the document is actually a giant image with the PDF suffix. Let's look at how this works with this document in Canvas. Click on the doc reader icon. Notice the message? Click Yes. Our document is now readable. Click Listen.
ReadSpeaker Speak Up Guide. This guide will discuss the various tools available in ReadSpeaker Speak Up.
The fourth example is a form of dark mode, which is available in text mode. For this example, we will look at a discussion in Moodle. We will adjust our settings to have a black background and light blue text. Select text mode. And we now see the discussion in dark mode. Our last example is to highlight documents for notes. Let's look at this document and click on the highlighter. Make your highlights. Showing borders is great for colorblind students. Collect and download the highlights. Let's look at our second suite of tools, which includes TextAid and the tools already mentioned. TextAid is a web-based program. Your settings are held in the cloud. TextAid can be used to support your needs outside of your learning management system in areas such as accessibility offices. Let's look at a few features. First, we can share documents, PDFs, and EPUBs with students. Let's share this book with a student named Awesome. In Awesome's account, we see the book in the library under the Shared With Me tab. Students cannot share files. You can download a document to an MP3 file and then listen to it on the go. This alternative format is an excellent way to review information before an assessment. We can adjust the colors and transparency in our focus tools, which are the page mask and reading ruler. Did you take pictures of some PowerPoints that were shown in class? No problem. Use the image to text function to make the typed notes readable. Let's listen to this document.
This is demo form the Educational Development Manager. She not traveled today.
Let's use spell check and listen again.
This is demo form the Educational Development Manager. She not traveling today.
Proof listening to your work helps you to catch left out words, unintentional words, and clumsy sentences. Let's listen again.
This is a demo from the Educational Development Manager, and she is not traveling today.
You can read websites with either the TextAid extension or the Bookmarklet. And finally, you can use the TextAid extension to read Canvas new quizzes.
Place items in the correct category. Pine tree.
Our way to address offline learning or standardized testing, such as the ATI, is to use ReadSpeaker SpeakUp. ReadSpeaker SpeakUp is a Windows-based program that is installed on individual computers. Let's look at an offline Word document. With a point and read, we point at what we want to read.
Steps for using exam mode in TextAid.
We can also use the clipboard by highlighting and pressing Ctrl-C simultaneously.
Instructor. Uploads exam to the instructor's library.
For an offline PDF, you will still need to open it in a browser and use the clipboard.
This is a Word online document.
Now let's look at a kid's National Geographic website on Rubies. Use the point and read.
Some people thought rubies contained the spark of life.
Now let's use the clipboard.
Many believed that the gems glowed from within.
Additionally, ReadSpeaker offers voiceover tools to create audio production for your website. Let's look at SpeechMaker, our voiceover production tool. Enter your text. Select your voice, speed, and pitch. Click Preview.
What will be the next addition to ReadSpeaker?
Once you are satisfied, click Download Audio. Answering this question is easy. Coming this summer is the ReadSpeaker app with voice commands. Add your documents to the playlist and say, ReadSpeaker, read my playlist. With these tools, it is easy to see which tool suites will be the most beneficial to you and your institution. Contact NA Education at readspeaker.com for more information.